I have a RN degree, and I worked on a rehabilitation unit and worked with rehab doctors. We worked with stroke patients and car accident victims, that kind of thing. And my understanding was when they did x-rays, they looked for bone changes and breakage, that kind of thing. And I knew mine was not bone related, it was muscle or ligament. And I knew that chiropractic would be more beneficial than going to a orthopedic doctor that probably would just prescribe pain medicine, that type of thing, to treat the symptoms rather than try to correct what had taken place. With the large number of symptoms I had, I felt maybe some of them were in my head, or I actually felt like people thought I was crazy because some of them were not physically related. I was having a lot of anxiety problems, and even with distraction, that type of thing, I was not able to cope with it. And I came to the clinic in tears, and he showed me again on that table the references from the textbooks that, yes, it is related to the injury. I just felt a whole lot better. And it's true. If you ever need, I'm serious, if you need chiropractic care,